Want to know how to understand every types of class in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So I'm just going to break you down every type of class in Java in a simple way. So you can see this code as well. You can just simply take a reference of this small 29 code as well. So first is a normal class. Simply the class we always use. You can create objects and call methods normally. So what we do is we just simply create a class animal and call it later. So next we have an abstract class. It's like a blueprint. You can create its object directly, but other classes can extend it and fill in the missing pieces. That's it. Super simple and easy. Next, the final class. This one can't be extended by any other classes, but it's locked from inheritance. So it basically uses inheritance right here. Then we have inner class finally. A class inside another class. That is a simple definition of it. This helps group logic and can access the outer class members as well, making it more flexible. And that's it. These four are the backbone of Java structure on classes. So you can just simply copy this code right here. I have referenced this code as well, so you can just simply run it to see how it works. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.